In this geometry lesson, we are going to learn about how do you construct a quadrilateral with the given measurements, right? Now we know that a quadrilateral is a polygon that has four sides, right? And to be able to construct a polygon, we need exactly 5 measurements. Those 5 measurements could be a combination of either the side lengths or the angles or the diagonals. So for example, we could construct a quadrilateral with 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Likewise, we could also construct a quadrilateral with 3 sides and 2 angles, or 3 sides with 2 diagonals, right? Any combination will work as long as we know exactly 5 measurements, okay? So in this exercise, what we have with us is that we are going to construct a quadrilateral that has 4 sides and 1 diagonal given to us, and those 4 sides respectively are 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 and 4 centimeter, and the length of the diagonal is 5 centimeter. All right, so very first thing what I'm going to do is, using this ruler, I'll draw a straight line that is 4 centimeter long, okay, because that is one of the dimension of a quadrilateral, right? Now what we need is 2 more side lengths, right? So one side length we know is 2 centimeter long, right? So let's open the compass up to 2 centimeter long, right? Lock it up and then draw an arc so that you at least span this much, okay? And we also know that the remaining 2 measurements of the side lengths are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So let's say I open up my compass up to 4 centimeter, lock it up and move the metal end to the other end of this first line segment that we had, and then simply draw an arc, okay? Now I'm creating this large arc here on purpose. You will see in a minute that why do we need to do that, okay? So let's remove our compass for a minute, okay? So at this point, what you have is, you basically have only one dimension, which is 4 centimeter long, and then you have a general idea where your second dimension would fall, that is 2 centimeter long, and you have a general idea where your third dimension will fall. You don't know the angle, of course. The angle could be something like this, the angle could be something like this, right? We don't know that yet. And that is why having the dimension of a diagonal is important. So what you do is, now you bring your ruler back, and now we are going to construct a diagonal that is 5 centimeter long, right? So let's open up the compass up to 5 centimeter, and this is our position, this is the distance, right? So I'm going to construct a diagonal from the other end of this line segment, the very first line segment that we had. So that means I bring my compass here, bring my pencil at this location and draw an arc so that it intersects with the very first arc that we had, right? So this will give you a vertex so that you can join this end to the other end of this intersection of 2 arcs, correct? So let's do that. So using a straight line, I am connecting these 2 vertices, all right? So let us label them as well. So this is vertex A, vertex B, you have a vertex C, right? And we know that this dimension is 2 centimeter, right? And the diagonal from C to B is 5 centimeter, right? All you need is now basically the remaining 2 segments. So let's do this. So what we do is we bring our ruler and compass back. So let's open up the compass at 3 centimeter long, because that will be the one of the dimension of the third line segment or the fourth line segment that we have, right? So it is 3 centimeter long. So using this compass now, I drag it all the way up to the vertex that you recently obtained, and then draw the arc so that it intersects with this arc that we have previously drawn, okay? So this gives you your 4th vertex, okay? We're done with the compass. Let's now start sketching line and complete this quadrilateral. So we connect from point C to this newly vertex that we obtained, and then sketch another line from vertex B all the way up to this newly vertex that you obtained. So this is your quadrilateral of your required dimensions. 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter were 2 sides. The third side was 4 centimeter, and then you had another side with 3 centimeter, okay? So this is one way of constructing a required quadrilateral.